I see you looking on realtor.ca every day, checking out all the new listings and all the new inventory. And this spring, we have had a ton of new inventory. But have you noticed what's not common and what is certainly not a dime a dozen? Completely renovated and luxurious bungalow style condos. They're a rarity. This condo in the heart of Dieppe pretty much speaks for itself. It's been completely renovated. I absolutely love this condo. It's probably the nicest one I've ever been in. Everything has been renovated. I am walking on gorgeous refinished hardwood floors. There's new pot lights, there's new light switches, there's new tile in every single room. The 2x2 tile, which is so luxurious and so gorgeous. Every single appliance in here is brand new, including this range hood. The backsplash is completely new as well, and these beautiful countertops. So this countertop's been extended, so it's just a perfect addition to the kitchen and into the dining room. And again, just allows you to sit here, enjoy what's being prepped, and still take part in all the conversations. So there's beautiful crown molding all throughout the entire living room and dining room area. And just right off this space right here, you're gonna go into the completely renovated bathroom. Come check it out. Shane, I love this bathroom. It gives spa-like vibes. There's a brand new double sink vanity. It's absolutely gorgeous. You've got beautiful black handles that match these black mirrors. It is just so fresh, so inviting. You've got laundry in here as well, so it's really accessible. Single level living is where it's at. Oh, I love this room. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo. We're currently in the primary bedroom. This is a king size bed. There's tons of room in here. This big, beautiful window. It lets in a ton of natural light and a big double closet. The second bedroom is really nice and big as well. Nice and spacious. You can fit a queen size bed in here and a nightstand. There's also a double closet and a big, beautiful window to let in all that gorgeous light. We're currently downstairs in the partially finished basement. As you can see, it's huge, so it would make a great family room, a den, currently being used as a gym and a little office. You're really in the heart of Dieppe here, and one of the best things about Dieppe is the extensive trail system. You're just a few minutes away from jumping on the trails. You can hit the grocery stores, you can get your daily commute in, exercise, you name it. You're 5, 6, 7 minutes away from the Greater Moncton International Airport. So it's just a completely convenient location. You'll absolutely fall in love with this home.